I am in love with these Swedish dishcloths from Nordhus Design. They are fantastic for the planet and they are exceptionally high quality. Now, I was gifted these for review, but I have used Swedish dishcloths for so many years and these truly stand out for many reasons. Not only are they wonderfully thick and oversized, but they have fantastic absorption and they're exceptionally durable. This is really what I want in a dishcloth so I can use it to wash dishes or clean up messes wherever. These soak up spills almost instantly. They're also super, super absorbent. So if you spill water, instead of getting your kitchen towel soaking wet, use your Swedish dishcloth. And they can even be used for dirtier jobs, which I often will use a separate one for all the dirty jobs in my kitchen. And when you're done, you can wash them up really easily in the sink and they dry out so fast. Or when they're really dirty, throw them in your washer. They will wash up and be just like new on the other side. Love them, highly recommend them.